inheritance, that it is basically called to inherit properties from one class into another class. For example, you are having a Honda car and there is one more company that is providing fog lights. So now what Honda can do, Honda can buy those fog lights from that company and can install in their car. So basically fog lights were not their functionality, it is not their manufacturing, they are buying it or they are inheriting it from or they are outsourcing it from another company. So this is called inheritance. Same way we can do in programming languages that use object-oriented concepts, in which we can inherit properties from other classes into our class, and that class from which we inherit the properties or functions, that becomes the parent class, and the class that extends that parent class becomes the child class. Now if Honda gives us the fog light, another company, BMW, can also buy fog lights from the same company. So the same way, a class, a parent class, can be inherited by multiple subclasses or child classes. It is not restricted to a single class. It doesn't means it is not a case that if a class has inherited a parent class, another class will not be able to inherit it. This is not the case. It will be able to inherit it. So this is basically called multi-level inheritance and multiple inheritance concepts that we will discuss later. And moreover, a single class can inherit properties from multiple classes. For example, Honda car buys fog lights from one company and back mirror wiper from another company. So it is buying two different products for two different companies. The same way, in object-oriented class, a child class can inherit properties from more than one class. This is called multiple inheritance that we will discuss later. So here let's have some characteristics or properties of an inherited class. Child class automatically inherits all the member variables and functions of the parent class. If we extend a class or inherit a parent class through a child class, so all the parent functions and variables can be used by child class automatically by default. We can also define our own member variables and member functions in the child class. Even child class will have its own members. This means that some of the properties I'm buying from outside and rest of the properties I'm building. So let's see an example for the same. Here let's have an example that will make you clear. So let's have a parent class called pen, and this parent class is having these methods: set price and get price. We're having one more class that is called or hero pen. So in HeroPen, I'm having a function, or first of all, I'll be having a variable dollar manufacturer or manufacturer. So I'm creating a function get manufacturer, and it is giving me the pen is manufactured by this manufacturer. So here you can see HeroPen is having a single function, that is get manufacturer. Pen is having set price and get price. Now I want to create object of HeroPen, but I want to call these functions, means functions of pen class. So here what I have to do, I have to extend pen class here. So now if I extend, if I create object of HeroPen rather than pen class, I can use this function to call the I can use this object to call the function of pen class, because set price is not a function of HeroPen class, it is a function of pen class. But if I have extended the HeroPen class with pen class, I can call its function. I think there is something wrong. What is going here? Okay. No, I don't think any brace is missing. What is the issue? Let me check why we are getting this issue. don't think why it is giving an issue. Nothing seems anything wrong here, then why it is giving? Let's do one thing. I copy this class and we create. Don't know why I'm getting issue. Okay, let's extend it. Extend the pen class. Okay, now it seems fine. Doesn't know what was the issue. So here you can see I have created object of hero pen and I'm calling function for pen class. So now you can see functions of pen class are called by the object of hero pen class. So what I have done, I have extended hero pen with pen class. Now I can use functions of pen class by calling the object of hero pen class. So this is called inheritance. I have inherited properties of pen class by hero pen class. And moreover, it is having its own function, that is get manufacturer. So again, I can give $obj hero pen manufacturer value. I can give the manufacturer value as hero, and here I can call obj hero pen get manufacturer. I will print it and you will see. Just a second. Okay, because it's a constructor function, so while creating object, okay, it should not be like this. There is something wrong. Why it is giving error? Let me check. Okay, I'm passing the value. Okay, sorry. So here you will see the cost of pen is 20. That is from the pen class, and the cost of the pen is manufacturer of the pen is this. So the manufacturer of the pen is Hero, the cost of the pen is 20. So this first is being printed from pen class, but this is from Hero pen class. So a child class can call functions of its parent class as well as it can call functions from its own class. So this is called inheritance. I think this is clear to everybody now. Okay. Anybody else having doubt? Apart from Nusrat, anybody else is having doubt? If any, let me know. Shall we move ahead then? Yes, Sumajit, can we move ahead? Okay, fine. So it was inheritance. I have explained you. Same thing you can see in this example. Price, color, type, these are properties of pen, and here we are extending pencil class is extending pen. It is having its own method, set manufacturer, get manufacturer, but this pencil can call functions or variables from this pen class, like it can set the value of price, it can set the value of color. Here I can do one thing. So this price can be set from, means not only the functions but the variables of parent class can also be manipulated by the child class. So here if we want to change this price, dollar price, and if we use this price inside rather than cost, example, I'm using dollar this price. So I have created the object of Hero pen, but what I can do, dollar obj Hero pen price equal to 30. Now you can see the cost of the pen is 30. Now price is a variable of pen class, but I'm accessing it with the object of Hero pen class. I'm changing it, and this is making its effect to the pen class. So this way the child class can manipulate the variables, member variables and member functions, both of the parent class. So this is again the example showing you the same thing. Pen is having its own variables, its own methods, and pencil class is having its own method variables, but pencil can access the methods and variables of parent class. Here pencil also contains price, color, writing color and type. So we are inheriting the pen class to pencil. Each pencil can have the same functionalities as a pen can have. A pencil will have a price, it will be having color, it will write in some color, and it will be having a type. So rather than writing pencil same features for the pencil class, again we are simply extending it from other class. So inheritance simply gives us the power to reuse the code. If we have already written a class that performs some particular functionalities, then rather than writing the same functionalities for another class, we can simply inherit that class. For example, we can create a parent class car, and Honda car, BMW car, all can fetch or extend that parent car class and use its functionalities.